Hello guys and welcome to Saturday's crypto update video. As always, we do every Saturday a crypto update video to inform you what the most impact news that happened in this week, and pretty much price action. We cover up price action, we cover up the news, we cover up every single thing happening in this week, and probably what's going to happen next week, and what is going on with crypto right now, and everything. So don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let me see your support. If you have anything in your mind, just type it in the comments. I will reply within an hour, bro. Like, I don't have much comments, so if you have anything to ask, just comment and I will respond you within an hour. Last week it was at this candle right here, and this week we dropped down USDT dominance. Like, pretty much we end up the week with -1%, even though in the last week was very bullish week and bullish news overall, and we see some inflows in Bitcoin and other assets. So on the weekly time frame, we closed this last week with a bearish candle below this trend line that I've told you about it last week, and we did resist this red line right here. It's a daily resistance. This support turned into resistance right here, and now we rejected off of it once again. So maybe with that, I'm more anxious to see a break of structure off of this, and after the break of structure we may see some good things and the good news keep on coming. Then we see some good sort of reaction in the market. So on the weekly, as you can see, this week is also more likely going to close out bearish. For the USDT dominance, of course, is bearish for the USDT dominance. That means good for crypto. Hopefully this week also close out bearish, this candle, and then we may see the good amount of news came out, and then probably we're going to see some retest this area of supply. That's so more likely price going to reverse to it, and then maybe we're going to break out of it and then finally retest this zone, and the positive in the market will come through. So and something else, we are coming into an end of the month. We still have 9 days until the monthly candle close, and hopefully that this candle on the monthly time frame close out bearish. If that candle close out bearish, that means automatically we're going to see some bearish price action to the downside. With that may help our portfolio to grow some a little bit and re-give us the gains that we lost, because I've personally lost a lot of hell of bread, bro. A hell of bread. I lost almost 70% of my portfolio, even though I'm keeping on adding. Every single time the market crash, I'm adding a little bit, as much as I can. So hopefully when we see some good sort of reaction in the market, we can see like the good thing comes up and we can actually capitalize off of that. So that's for the USDT dominance. I'm going to cover up now the BTC dominance, which is the Bitcoin dominance, and I've actually tweeted something which is right here, and it's very interesting for me. So I'm going to explain. We are still, by the way, trading in this rising wedge, and recently we did do nothing. We did come up a little bit, then we reacted off of that. So there's still more. You need to be more patient in the market. There's still more manipulation happening. There's still more liquidity going to get grabbed, and all of that. And the interesting thing that I've told you about it is that if you can see, on 2017 bull market. As you can see, from this top to then the altcoin season started, it has happened like almost 217 days from this low to breaking down to this low, almost like 230 200 and something days, 220, like in that zone between 220 and 240 days. And then boom, the altcoin season started. Then on 2021 we have this bottom, we formed this top, and then we break this bottom, or we break the structure off of 217 days. Then the bull market started. Now we have this structure, and then we formed another leg up, which is very similar to this thing. A bottom, then a leg up, and then we may be, I'm not sure, I'm not saying this by conviction like 1,000,000% this. No, it's a probability, it's my personal opinion. Maybe in between June and July we are going to see the altcoin season. There is no altcoin season right now, I'm pretty sure. May and April, it's still too soon for that to happen. We may come up a little bit, come down to this level before that happens, but I'm pretty sure the altcoin season is going to start after June or after July, because in these days there's a lot of fucking news that came out for no fucking reason, because of Trump is fixing the economy of the US, and he's coming up every single day with a new news, new fucking tariffs again. There's a lot of manipulation happening in the market right now, and I think it's not the ideal time for the market to refresh, but we need some time for the market to refresh and to recognize itself and its move, to then generate more moves better than this price action, you know. So with that, we can check on the BTC chart, which literally didn't do much, but it did a quite nice job. But if you look, we are for a whole week at 84,000. Yeah, we come up to $87,000, and I think this was on Wednesday when the FOMC meeting started up. So I think more likely we are going to see a rejection off of this fair value gap on the monthly time frame, and we can see some sort of news coming up in the market and some sort of inflows. Then we can see the leg up that can help us and can help Bitcoin and the price action and overall to be a little bit positive, and then do the nice move. Then like for the past 2 months or 3 months we have been doing nothing almost, but just fucking dropping. So that's almost for BTC. There's no much in the chart because it kept consolidating, as you can see. For a full fucking week we have been consolidating, and pretty much we just went up 2%, I think. For the Ethereum, I don't know what the fuck is happening with Ethereum, but hey bro, it is looking good. You may see, like, not in the chart way, but it is looking too good. Haven't you noticed it, bro? 3 months ago or 4 months ago, we have been trading in $4,000 per Ethereum. Now it's at 1,900. Like, when it was at 4,000, everybody was fucking fired up. Buy Ethereum, do whatever you want, buy Ethereum, do. And then it dropped, and everyone bought Ethereum at 4,000. Now he's down so fucking bad. He's down 60%, brother, 60%. And Now, when we see Ethereum at $1,990, everybody is fucking silent. Everybody kept saying, sell Ethereum. It's the fucking worst asset you can buy. It's the worst. Then you can fucking see the inflows coming in without you can catch up the move. Like, I'm telling you, 2 months later or 4 months later, you're going to see Ethereum at 5,000, and no one will fucking notice, because the positive and Trump and his son and like everyone is keep telling you do not sell your altcoins, especially if you're invested in spot market, bro. If you're invested in spot market, just keep it as savings, bro. Like, keep it as savings, a little easiest as fucking saving. Put it as like a saving account. Don't care about it. Just don't fucking sell. Whenever you don't fucking lose your money, only if you sell. So do not sell your fucking coins at the like, you are losing. Why will you sell at the bro? That doesn't make sense at all, brother. Because the market, has been bleeding out lately, but you will fucking see the positivity comes in, and you're going to see Ethereum at 6,000 and 10,000 at some crazy ass numbers, and then you will wonder why you're still broke. And one more thing I wanted to add up is XRP is fucking insane ass coin, bro. Like, look at XRP. It's a fucking perfect example. If you remember, on October or last year or whenever, bro, XRP has been consolidating for 900 fucking days. 900 days. Everyone was thinking XRP is the worst asset you can buy. It was consolidating for a lot of fucking time, and the people who bought it in 2021 at $1, they kept suffering of 66% in drawdown for 1,200 days. And then whenever everybody kept selling, look what happened, brother. Look what fucking happened. A big Drake pump to the upside. And now, when I told you to buy XRP right here, and I told you to buy XRP right here, buy the dips, people will still wait and say, no, it's too expensive, I'm not buying it at $2. Then, when it come up at $4, they started buying, and price of course will reverse and do a little bit of retest, and then you keep selling. Then you are like, these motherfuckers are only buying whenever the price is high and selling whenever the price is low. Like, they're the most fucking dumbass. I can't talk anymore. They're fucking dumbasses, bro. Like, they buy high and sell low. To who? To the institutions and the banks and the whales and the countries now. I don't know what to say anymore, brother. So now I'm going to cover up the news that happened. Is that on Wednesday, on the FOMC meeting, Fed Powell just said we have to cut QT in half and we will approach the QE level slowly. This is like, you need to understand that this is very bullish for the markets. Why? Because when they start cutting QT in half and QE levels, they will start slowly approaching to the level that when they are going to cut rates. And then when they cut rates, there will definitely be some sort of positivity in the market, and the market will refresh, and we may see some refreshes in the market. So, and the next thing is that from the recap of the FOMC statement, the Fed keeps the rates at 4.25 to 4.5%, just as expected. No surprises for now, but the markets were ready for this, and the next move is what really matters. And this is the actual thing that you need to understand. Because when they start slowing down the QT, it's a fucking, and the QE level, like, this is so fucking bullish, and they are now for now keeping on no cutting rates, but lately we will definitely see some rate cuts in the next months. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is that President Trump just said, "We will make America the undisputed Bitcoin superpower and crypto capital of the world." And like, look at this fucking thing. The actual President of the United States of America is very fucking bullish on Bitcoin, and he's creating a strategic reserve for crypto and Bitcoin, and now he's creating an investment decision of crypto and Bitcoin and blockchain, and now he said this Bitcoin is the superpower and crypto capital of the world. Like, the president himself is so fucking bullish, and you're bitching out at some fucking 10% in drawdown. Like, that is nothing. That is literally nothing. Coming up lately to the Bitcoin ETF flows, which is started to get very good. At 17th of March, we started seeing some inflows in the market. And with that, 18 March, we already kept seeing some inflows. 20 March, like, I already told you about this thing in the last crypto video. I told you that these institutions and these whales are going to keep selling their assets to fucking convince you that the market and the bull run is over, and to crush prices to the downside, and people will start panicking, selling their assets and their shit, and then saying the crypto bull run is over. What the fuck is that? And they will fucking beat your ass with adding millions of trillions of dollars in the market, and you will keep on fucking watching with your hands in your ass. Like, you can't do nothing about it. They will fucking control the market however they want, and if you're not smart, you will not make it. But on Ethereum, you still have chance, because there are still no inflows in the market, only outflows. We didn't saw any good thing in Ethereum, but whenever the price is so fucking bad, as you can see, Ethereum is at 1,900, and once again, I'm telling you, Ethereum is $1,900. You need to buy low and sell high, not buy high and sell low, you dummies. And whenever the price keep dropping on you, you keep on adding, because whenever the price is going to pump, you're going to fucking become so wealthy. This is not a financial advice, but this is some logical shit. This is not meant to be a financial advice. So again, I'm telling you now that the next weeks you will definitely, you see this paper, you will definitely see some inflows in the market and that Ethereum ETFs. And now lately we are coming up with the new XRP Solana ETF and bunch of fucking positivity coming into the market. So without that being said, I hope you guys benefit from this video. If you have anything in your mind, comment down below in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys up tomorrow with the psychological video. So stay tuned and peace out.